All right, check it out, guys. It's Trevor James. We're in Chongqing, China. This is the land of Chongqing spicy Xiaomian noodles. We're on a world noodle tour, and today I'm so pumped because we're bringing you for a full-on noodle adventure. Let's check it out. And this is it, Chongqing, the land of noodles, the slurp city. You can see we got tons of people here slurping noodles, and today we're gonna be bringing you for 5 bowls of Chongqing noodles, all in the deep back alleys. I'm so pumped for this, so make sure to watch all the way until the end because this is gonna be an iconic noodle tour video. And here we are, guys, Chongqing, rolling down, looking for noodles. It's a super cool city and very modern. It's a huge metropolis. There's like 20 million people that live here. We're going to a Hunhe noodle. It's a mixed noodle and it's just up ahead. You pumped, Ting? Should be good, right? Xie. This is an awesome city. We are going to one of the most famous Xiaomian, Chongqing Xiaomian restaurants in the city. Xiaomian is next level spicy. It's like Dan Dan noodles, but spicier and more numbing. We just found it, guys. The Bandung Mian Zhuang. Oh, here it is. Miha. Chongqing 特色小面. Bandung Mian Zhuang. At the Bandung Mian Zhuang. And all of these. That one. We're gonna get a big bowl. Oh, and look at this, guys. This is the total La Jiao heaven. We've literally got massive bowls. Look at this, guys. La Jiao, fresh chili oil. That's so thick. Oh, and we're gonna start a fresh bowl here. Pickled mustard greens. Oh, soy sauce. There's the chili. Look at that. That's pure chili oil. Smoky chili oil. Oh, beautiful. And then we've got a little bit of ground pork, MSG. And you can see there's literally hundreds of bowls here, ready to scoop noodles into. Pre-made chili in the bottom of the bowl, looking spicy and xiang. And there's a little bit of green onion. Oh, and here's the fried egg. So you can get fried egg with it as well. That's what it's all about. She's just saying that when you add the egg in with the Xiaomian, it's Gong xiang da. It's more xiang. And here's the noodle stock going right in. That's noodle stock and ginger. And then here come the noodles. Adding those noodles right on. Wow. Chongqing Xiaomian. And then adding a Jiang egg on top. Xie. And there it is, guys, the Bandung Mian Zhuang. We're a little early. This place is bumping, and we're gonna sit down right here. Ooh, Chongqing 特色板面. Oh, Yao Ban. Oh, 头.
我们重庆话说的要腻。
要腻.
哎。
要腻.
就是那个拌住淋住一块了那种。
Okay, mix it up. 好，要拌快一点。
把它拌均匀。
哦，拌均匀。
哎，这个料在下面。
哦，这个料在下面。
哎，料在下面，你要把它
哦，
拌均匀。
很香。
哎，这样。
这样嘛。
我跟你讲。
哦，好。你教我 ，She's gonna teach us. 哦，这样嘛。
我把那个佐料拌到上面，把这个上面没有料嘛。
很香的。
哎，好，就这样。
哇，重庆特色。
哎，
重庆人很友好。
哎哈。就这样，
这样嘛，
就赶快吃，
赶快吃，
一会儿就不好吃了。
OK， 好，我快点吃，好，谢谢你。
哎，希望你喜欢。
我尝一尝，老板娘嘛。Oh, people are so friendly here, guys. Mixing it up for us. That literally smells so delicious. Smoky chili oil. And the roe, the meat. That is some of the smokiest noodles I've ever smelled. And there's literally just flakes of giant chili in there. This is the famous Chongqing Xiaomian we came to try, and she was telling us to eat it quick. You gotta eat it quick, otherwise it'll stick together. And everyone's just waiting for us to try it. We gotta go. We gotta try it out. Mmm. 好吃的。哇，很棒，不辣的，就香的。That's what it's about there, guys. Wow. That is delicious. This is less spicy than it looks. It's xiang, it's smoky. That roe flavor, that pork flavor is giving it so much juicy fragrance. And let's go for one more. Let's just test that out again. And they're telling us to add a little more tang. 加点糖嘛. Oh. Oh. just added the tang in. That's the noodle broth. And there's a little bit of soybean in there as well. Wow, that is a next level bowl right there. Really. And that right there was one of the most xiang bowls of noodles I've ever tasted. You can see it's just packed now. There's a big lineup. We came nice and early to avoid the rush. And this is the City of Noodles. We're exploring a local little neighborhood, and right around the corner here, there's a sesame spicy Xiaomian. Wow, it's just a super busy morning market, and we are just looking for these noodles. Let's go find them. Look at all the meat, guys. This is a Sichuan market. You come here, you get your spicy, you get your chilies, you get your meat, all the dried chilies you'll ever need. Sichuan peppercorn. Oh, and all the roe. This is it right here, guys. 早上好。这个是芝麻小面吗？对。哦，太好了。Thank you. Here we go. 酱油, Jiang, huajiao, peppercorn. We've got mustard greens, chili oil, and then there's the magic right there. The Miao. Miao. Sesame oil. And then noodles. And then just add a little stock in. Wow. So we've just made these delicious bowls of sesame oil, chili oil, mustard greens, sesame, jiangyo, soy sauce, and we got a zijijia, add our own green onions, and she's just added in pea shoots and noodles into that giant cauldron. Oh, there's the pea shoots. So she's just said I can add as much as I like. If I like more, add more. So we're gonna add more of these green onions. And then we've got the garlic chives over here. And we'll just add a little touch in there as well. 你们是老字号对吗？一般. Oh, and there is the noodle. And xiang da. Wow. And that's Ting's bowl. And we're gonna add a little more of green onion. Thank you. And there it is, guys. The Zhima Xiaomian. You can really smell that sesame. Look at how much toasted sesame aroma is in there. That is a full bowl. It's all about mixing it up. Mmm. Mmm. That is smoky with sesame. And it's got that huajiao peppercorn in it. It's definitely just pure noodle, sesame noodle. It's an instant hit of spice. Huajiao, peppercorn, florally, and nutty from sesame. Mmm. What I love about this is the sesame comes from sesame oil and these toasted sesame seeds. It's not from a sesame butter. So it's more of a natural sesame flavor instead of like a buttery sesame flavor. And it's smoky and it's got huajiao as well. So it's peppercorn, floral, slightly numbing with a bit of a greeny, nice vegetal flavor from those pea shoots. Wow, 很香的，那个芝麻的味道很香的。谢谢你们，谢谢，下次见。好，拜拜，拜拜。That was xiang. The zhima, the sesame is just toasted. And we're going for more, guys. We got tons of noodles to eat today. Next up, deep in the alleyway. Look at this. Gong Mian. This place has tons of different Chongqing noodle styles. Oh, Miha. Oh, and look at this. 这个是 Gong Mian 吗？对。Wow. So you can see here, here's the Gong Mian. That's the chicken noodles, the ones we're gonna order. Here's the Mian. That's the chicken organ noodles, and it's all in spicy broth. So that's the Swan Lafen. So this is actually a sweet potato starch noodle in a very spicy broth. And then we've got Juntang Mian. That's a mushroom soup. And actually, we wanted to try the Douhua Mian, the silken tofu noodle. But seeing that giant cauldron right here of just pure chicken and delicious lajiao and xianggu mushrooms, we're definitely gonna have to order that up. It totally looks delicious. So this is the total magic station of lajiao chili and Sichuan spices. And the noodles just go right in the cauldron. Oh, tai haola. And 这个是我的吗？ And look at all these lajiao chili bowls. Chongqing, the land of spicy. 辣的，很辣的吗？还是很香的？是很辣，一般吗？这是香。哦，香。香辣。So it's fragrant. It's not la. And there it is. Oh, Gong Mian. We're gonna get an extra big scoop. Oh, 好。谢谢您。棒棒哒！哦， 哇，
来，这里
哦，葱嘛，
是米。
哦，还有花生米，
对。
都有。That's beautiful. Look at that. So you can see we've added huasheng, peanuts, tong, and there's big chunks of chicken in there. 谢谢您. We're gonna go try it out, guys. And here it is, the Jiang 特色面. Chongqing 是香的，不是辣的嘛？香的。It's all about the xiang. It's not la, it's not spicy, it's xiang. And it's got xianggu mushrooms, literally translated as fragrant mushrooms. It's got the noodles, of course, and then all of these chunks of chicken. This is what Chongqing is about, guys. Spicy xiang food and big chunks of peanuts in there. And there it is. Noodles just coated in chili oil. Mmm. 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 好吃，不辣吧？不辣。很香的。That is delicious. Big chunks of chicken with chili oil and peanuts. The peanuts actually give it a lot of nuttiness and smokiness. And there's definitely a sesame flavor in there as well. And what I'm loving about all the noodles in Chongqing is that so far, they're not too spicy. They're just xiang. And it looks spicy on camera, but it's actually just xiang. 谢谢你，好吃的很。Chongqing 特色。People are so friendly here. 谢谢老板。好吃的很。That was delicious. 哇。谢谢你，太好吃了。下次见。好，拜拜。We're gonna keep going, guys. And next up, we're in a local neighborhood now, and we're gonna get something a little different. Right here, there's a Jungan Mian place, and you can see everyone slurping away. This is the slurp station, and I think it's chicken liver noodles. Let's take a look. Miha. Ooh, and 这个是 Jungan Mian 对吗? Look at that. That is duck liver noodles. 还有泡椒吗? Oh, watch the action here, guys. This is the magic. Jiang soy sauce, swan, garlic, Jijing 对吗? Weijing. Oh, MSG, xiantai, pickled veg, huajiao, peppercorn, and it goes right over the cauldron. Okay, and we're gonna make a load of Jungan Mian right here. First, we're gonna throw the noodles in, and then look at this. This is all pea shoots going right in. 这个是豌豆尖吗？空心菜。哦。Oh. So you can see this bowl is definitely, the base isn't spicy. It's just got those salted veg and garlic, but the pickled chilies are gonna add spice. Here we go, Kongxing Cai. Ooh, here's the noodles right over top. Look at that. Jungan and Pao Jiao. That's ginger, that's peppercorn, and that's pickled chili. Oh, and here they are. That's it there, guys. Pickled chili and duck liver. And you can see this is a top 10 mian in Chongqing. Oh, 谢谢你. And there it is, guys. The Jungan Mian. Those are Pao Jiao pickled chilies, but they actually just look like cherry tomatoes. We're gonna see how spicy those are. And then there's the Yajun, the duck liver. We're gonna get a jidan on there as well. Oh, 谢谢你们. And we're gonna sit down and have a taste. And there it is, guys. It smells like sour pickled chilies. And it's full of duck liver. Look at that. Literally big chunks of duck liver in there. That is unique. And we're just gonna mix it up. Get those pickled chilies all throughout. And you can see this is just a busy joint. Mmm. 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 That is floral. Literally like a spicy, numbing flower of noodles. That pickled chili there. It's a little bit sour, definitely spicy. And the noodles are just covered in a numbing huajiao, floral deliciousness. 好吃的，好吃的。谢谢，谢谢你们。Late night duck liver noodles in Chongqing. They're delicious, but I prefer ganban style. I like the dry style. These are pretty oily and salty. 谢谢你们，谢谢你们。好吃的很。下次见。We're gonna keep going, guys. My mouth is just woo. And next up, guys, we're just exploring. We're looking for something extra strong. Right up here, there's a famous noodle joint called Xiaomian. Literally the black, darkest, richest chili Xiaomian in Chongqing. 你好，这个是Xiaomian对吗？ Oh, look at this, guys. So everybody in Chongqing is saying their noodles aren't spicy, but these definitely look spicy. They look strong. Oh, and here we go. We're gonna make a bowl. Soy, that is garlic. We've got chili, that's the magic, the pure chili oil. And then a little tayo, vegetable oil, and salt right in the bowl. Peppercorn, that's numbingness. Oh, even more salt. This is gonna be powerful. And rutabaga, and then onion. Oh, beautiful. And look at this giant mountain of Kongxing Thai, Chinese Kongxing greens. And the noodles go in first, into the cauldron. And then here come the Kongxing Thai, Chinese Kongxing greens, and right in. Beautiful. And just look at this magical station here, guys. These are all pre-measured bowls of Chinese xiangliao, ready to pour noodles and greens and wando, yellow peas over top. So we've got chili oil, we've got peppercorn, we've got soy. There is green onions in there and a mixture of other secret sauces. And also, it's gonna be covered in a Jiang ground pork sauce as well. And we're just boiling up the noodles. Oh, and the Kongxing Thai right in. Look at that. So that's the greens. Oh, and here they come, the mientiao. Look at that. They're gonna go right on. We got it with the wanza. Wow. There they are. Look at this, guys. We're adding the zhajiang, the ground pork. Wow. And there's the wanza. Wow. 谢谢你. And you gotta drink this. So it's a herbal tea, a Chongqing herbal tea, and you can just pour it in, and that's gonna go perfect with the noodles. And I can also see some tea leaves in there. So we're gonna try that, and that's gonna wash down really well. And here it is. The Hei Wa Mian. Hei Wa Mian. Yo, how? It's all about mixing it up quick. Look at that. That is so thick, guys. We got a smoky, dark chili. There's peppercorn you can really smell. And it's got the ground pork xiaozi and these yellow peas on top. That is a tusa. 谢谢你们. Oh, that is looking so good. And you really gotta eat it quick because you don't want the noodles to stick. But chang yi chang. Let's try it out. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, wow. Mmm. Thai, xiang, look at that. It's just coated. All the noodles in Chongqing are so xiang. Literally, there is an incredible aroma. This one is a little more smoky. It's actually not spicy. We've tried so many bowls of noodles in Chongqing, and the locals are right. They're not actually that spicy. They're xiang. They're aromatic. The chili just has this essence that fills your whole taste buds, your whole mouth with this feeling, this xiang chili goodness that you can't get anywhere else. 好吃的，很香的，很香的。好，谢谢你们，下次见。哇，这黑画面，拜拜，下次见。Bye-bye. If you guys love these videos, please leave us a comment down below and click that bell button and subscribe or notification button as well so you don't miss any of these street food tours. Chongqing has been amazing, so much delicious food, and we're continuing on our World Noodle Tour to create these awesome videos for you. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.